like a bar of chocolate, please.
Dear friends, you are now about to enter the nerve center to the entire Wonka factory. Inside this room, all of my dreams become realities, and some of my realities become dreams. Boys and girls, the chocolate room. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination.
What is this, Wonka? Some kind of fun house?
Why, having fun? We are the music makers. And we are the dreamers of dreams. How did you like the chocolate factory, Charlie?
I think it's the most wonderful place in the whole world.
All aboard, everybody.
So shines a good deed in a weary world.
This is kind of strange.
Yes, but it's fun.
Charlie, don't forget what happened to the man who suddenly got everything he always wanted.
What happened?
He lived happily ever after.